welcome back to our channel. And today we have a new guest. Her name is Scarlet. So today we're gonna do another episode of Steve Splenger's experiments. So let's get started. But first, boys and girls, you always need safety. We have goggles here that we're gonna put on. Oh, and we're doing magic sand experiments. Yay! And then a lot more. And you can already see 2 more. So let's get started! So we are on our first experiment today, and we're gonna be testing to see if the sand is dry or if it's wet. So first we have to add our colors. So what color are you gonna choose? I'm gonna do blue. I'm gonna do pink. And now let's get started. And we're gonna use these for other experiments too, not just this one. So stay tuned. Let's go. I'm so scared. Not all of it. Guys, doesn't that look so cool? But we only do half because we're gonna still use this at the end. Guys, do you think that's all? Should I add a little bit more? Alright guys, that's it. But we'll still be using it later. That's it. And now, we're gonna scoop it up. Scoop. It's not dry. Wait, this one. Guys, do you see several bubbles at
what happens? What happens?
It's not dry. You guys, look at mine. It looks dry inside, but when you take it out, it undries. You guys, look at mine.
Look, so what happened? Did you, Scarlet, did you try to test it? Did you see that? Did you see what just happened?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it looks so cool. It was like wet on the inside.
Whoa. Should I add a little bit more?
It's up to you, but it is awesome. I like that. Let me see.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. I just want to see how it looks like. So, this is what happens.
Oh my god, look. And I was actually kind of mixing it a little bit.
Oh, let me see. So,
you guys, that's a big chunk right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, yes, that is a big chunk.
Oh my god, so, look how big.
Look at the
Oh my. That's a lot, Natalia.
Good job. The coolest thing. So when you...
Wait, look, you see those bubbles?
So...
You see those bubbles?
What do you think is happening here?
That it's dry on the inside, and when you take it out, it's wet. Okay. And boys and girls, do you know what this is called? Science!
It's called science.
And you can even try it at home if you buy the right stuff.
That's right.
And that's all. Oh my god, look, you see the bubble?
Oh yes, there goes the bubble right there. So guys, so this is what I wanted to explain to you, how this thing works, right? So this magic sand has like a special oil coating, right? Yeah. It is called cohesion, or the act of sticking together tightly. And then thanks to the surface tension.
Can I help her? Can I do it with her?
Yeah, of course. And then what happens is, that's the reason why it's oil coating. So what happens is when you take it out, it turns to be dry again.
Oh my god, you see that?
Oh, look at the little bubble. Did you guys try to put it in your hands?
Wait, you guys, let's put it on.
And what happens? See?
It doesn't do it.
It doesn't do it.
You guys, let me try and put it in my hand.
And
you see that?
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, that's so cool, you guys. Be careful.
So what do you think? Do you guys like this magic sand?
Yeah. Oh, try it.
Yes.
I can feel it. Look, if you do this, you can feel it under. And you guys, make sure to ask a parent or an adult nearby for help.
Correct.
But make sure you know them.
That's right. Of course. Yes. Adults always have to be supervised.
Oh, and you guys, do you know what Natalia just showed us? You might have saw, but if you see some big, just put your spoon under it, and then you can feel the hardness, and it's cool. Now we're gonna move on to some other experiments with this.
That's correct.
Oh, hi guys! Now we're doing experiment number 2. And we're gonna do some very cool sandcastles But you know how you go to the beach and build sand castles? These ones are gonna be in water. And they're gonna be all the colors rainbow. We're gonna use all of this, all of blue, and all of yellow. And that's our only colors. But there might be more, who knows? And these ones we did earlier, we're gonna save them for later. But let's get started. We're gonna save this water for later. So let's get started. So first we have to add the sand we want to add, right? Can we add all of it? Yay! Whoa! That's so cool. You can actually see the jump thingies again. Right. Whoa! This is gonna be epic, guys. Yeah. Oh no. You guys, watch this. If you like this and you do it like this, doesn't it look cool? Now my last color, pink. If I can. Whoa! And there's only a little bit of blue in there because I only had a little bit left because I used on that. It looks so cool. Alright, here is all those things. You guys, wait, come here. Come closer, you guys. Can we add some dish soap? Can I add some dish soap? You guys, look at that big one. Whoa. And smash. That's cool, right? Yeah. I'm gonna use my hands. You can touch it with your hands, spoons, like almost anything. Doesn't that look so cool, guys? And there's even some of that sand still there.
Isn't that the weirdest thing ever? Look, it looks like a globbles of different things, right, Natalia?
Yeah.
Look, it looks like a globbles of different things.
When
you lift it up,
you guys, that one's kind of like silver.
I know.
I found like a silver. Oh wait, it's weird. Whose is green? Mine is pink.
Yours is more pinkish, yeah. You've got more green in there, and then Natalia's
got more blue.
Natalia's got more blue. Yep.
And I got less
awesome. Blue. Isn't that the coolest
You guys, I'm gonna try to stick my hands in now. I'm scared. Do you think I should?
I think you should.
Oh my! You guys, you can actually see the different colors. It's so cool. Whoa. Do you see that?
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, you can see. Let me see different colors.
Wait, guys, come close and you're gonna hear a sound like Coke.
Whoa.
Wait, you guys, everybody quiet.
Sounds like sand.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it up and get more jam thingies.
So, do you guys want to try something different?
What? Yeah.
If you add.
Wait.
Okay. If you guys add now.
Dish soap. If you add dish soap.
If you add dish soap, let's see what happens.
Okay.
Now they say if you add the dish soap, it will actually turn to like real wet sand.
Okay, can I add it?
Yes, go ahead.
How much?
12 drops. Well, actually they said 12 drops. I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. That was not drops, but let's see what happens. What do you think? What do you think is happening here? Is it turning like?
No. 1, 2. I need to add more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Does anything happen? 10?
10.
Let's mix it up and see what happens.
11.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Whoa. Can I add a few more? Mine didn't work.
No. If it didn't work, then I'm sorry. If it didn't work, there's not much I can do about it.
Wait, you guys.
So look, it's actually it actually did turn to wet sand. When you lift it up, look. When you lift it up, the soap. Look, Natalia. Lift it up.
It didn't work.
Yes, it did work. It's turning into wet sand.
And you guys, look, there's a lot of bubbles in mine right here.
Yes.
Cool?
So the actual soap made it turn into wet sand.
Let's see if I can pick it up with the spoon. See if I can pick it up with the spoon. Oh, I did it. I did a little bit.
You did.
Okay, I'm gonna stick my hands in there.
All right.
It feels different.
It does feel different, doesn't it? So, girls.
Now see if I can jump. Look, I can actually mold it into balls.
Oh yeah. So now it became a wet sand.
I want to add
before.
And you guys, look at my hands. Look at. You can get messy.
So, what do you guys think about the magic
guys,
sand?
2 thumbs up for sure.
Awesome.
100 thumbs up for sure. Okay,
Great.
We're gonna do was really fun. Yeah.
So, are we now?
Thank you for watching our very cool sand with us, and we're gonna stay tuned for the next experiment. Bye! And wait, as you can see, this sand experiment's cool. Make sure to do it to friends, family, and even cousins. So bye! Bye!